Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your controller on your PlayStation 5 Pro console. So you can do this three different ways. The first way is by pressing the PlayStation button and then opening up this menu and going down to accessories right here and click on this. Then we want to go to our controller. I can see my DualSense Edge wireless controller. Click this and go to turn off right here. Otherwise, you can go on over to controller settings. And you can look at all the controller settings here. Now, if you're trying to set up a different auto turn off timer or something like that, let's go to settings, going down to system, then scroll on down to power saving. And then we have the option to set time until your controller turns off. So I got 10 minutes selected here. You can go to 30, 60, or do not turn off. Now the last way is by holding down the PlayStation button on the controller itself. So hold down this, and after about 5 to 10 seconds, the controller will turn off. So just continue to hold this down. And this is nice if it's connected to your computer or your phone. And my controller is now turned off. It's disconnected. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.